Today we will discuss about the chapter 2nd of economics sectors of Indian economy. In this video we will discuss the multiple choice questions. So let's start the video. Question number 1. Name one type of classification of the economy. Options are option A urban, option B rural, option C public and private, option D state or national. The correct option is public private. Next question. Where are the employment and non-employment figures taken from to study the data? Option A real-time handbook of statistics on Indian economy. Option B National Statistical Office NSO. Option C Niti Aayog. Option D Statistics Information Bureau. The right option is National Statistical Office NSO. Next question. What are the groups of classification of an economy called? Option A sectors, option B centers, option C types, option D categories, and the correct answer is sectors. Next question. When we produce a good by exploiting natural resources, it is called option A tertiary sector, option B primary sector, option C service sector, and option D public sector. And the correct answer is option B primary sector. Next question. Which activities come under the agriculture and related sectors? Option A dairy, option B mineral excavation, option C cotton fiber from the plant, option D selling agricultural products in the market. The correct answer is option A dairy. Next question. What is the secondary sector? Options are option A production of a good by exploiting natural resources, option B activities in which natural products are changed into other forms through ways of manufacturing, option C activities by themselves do not produce a good but they are an aid or support for the production process, option D mineral excavation. The correct answer is option B activities in which natural products are changed into other forms through way of manufacturing. Next question. Using sugarcane as raw material, we make sugar or good. Under what sector does this activity come? Option A primary, option B private, option C industrial, option D tertiary. The correct option is option C industrial. Next question. Those activities by themselves do not produce a good but they are an aid or support for the production process are called option A primary, option B private, option C industrial, option D tertiary, and the correct answer is option D tertiary. Next question. Name one functioning activity of the tertiary sector. Option A goods that are produced would need to be transported by trucks or trains and then sold in wholesale and retail shops. Next option B this sector gradually become associated with the different kinds of industries. Option C activities in which natural products are changed into other forms through way of manufacturing. Option D produce a good by exploiting natural resources. And the correct option is option A goods that are produced would need to be transported by trucks or trains and then sold in wholesale and retail shops. Next question. Which sector is also called the service sector? Option A primary, option B public, option C industrial, and option D tertiary. And the correct answer is option D tertiary. Next question. The sum of production in the three sectors gives what is called the dash of a country. Option A gross income, option B gross domestic product, Option C, net domestic product. Option D, net income. And the correct answer is gross domestic product. Next question. The value of final goods and services produced in each sector during a particular year provides the dash. Options are option A, average production of the sector for that year. Option B, net production of the sector for that year. Option C, total production of the sector for that year. Option D, gross production of the sector for that year. And the correct answer is total production of the sector for that year. Next question. Dash gradually became the most important in total production and employment. Option A, secondary sector. Option B, tertiary sector. Option C, public sector. Option D, primary sector. The correct answer is option A, secondary sector. Next question. Which one is a primary occupation? Option A, tailor. Option B, basket weaver. Option C, flower cultivator. Option D, milk vendor. And the correct answer is option C, flower cultivator. Next question. Not every good or service that is produced and sold needs to be counted. It makes sense only to include the dash to get the total production. Option A, values of goods and services in production. Option B, final goods and services. Option C, adding up the actual numbers of goods. Option D, goods and services in the three sectors. Correct answer is option B, final goods and services. Next question. Give an example of an intermediate good. Option A, woven basket. Option B, chair production from wood. Option C, wheat flour. Option D, biscuits. The correct answer is option C, wheat flour. Next question. It has been noted from the histories of many now developed countries that at initial stages of development dash sector was the most important sector of the economic activity. Option A, public. Option B, tertiary. Option C, secondary. Option D, primary. The correct answer is primary. Next question. As the method of farming changed and the agriculture sector began to prosper, most of the goods produced were dash from the primary sector and most people were also employed in this sector. Option A, synthetic products. Option B, involved machines. Option C, natural products. Option D, mixed products. And the correct answer is natural products. Next question. Why did the secondary sector later become the most important sector? Option A, people began to use many more goods that were produced in factories at cheap rates. Option B, employment increased. Option C, agricultural declined. Option D, A and B. The correct answer is option D, A and B. Next question. In developed countries, the dash sector has become the most important in terms of total production. Option A, primary. Option B, industrial. Option C, service. Option D, public. And the correct answer is option C, service. Next question. In the data given of GDP, which was the most productive sector in 1974? Options are option A, primary. Option B, tertiary. Option C, secondary. Option D, equal production. And the correct answer is option A, primary. Next question. The primary sector is also called option A, service sector. Option B, agriculture and related sector. Option C, pre-industry sector. Option D, unorganized sector. The correct answer is option B, agriculture and related sector. Next question. In the data given of GDP, which was the most productive sector in 2013 and 14? Option A, primary. Option B, tertiary, option C, secondary, option D, equal production. And the correct answer is option C, secondary. Next question. The secondary sector is also called option A, organized sector, option B, service sector, option C, industrial sector, and option D, public sector. The correct answer is option C, industrial sector. Next question. Which sector has grown the most over 40 years? Option A, primary, option B, tertiary, option C, secondary, option D, equal production. And the correct answer is option B, tertiary. Next question. Which of these can be considered as basic services? Option A, growing of wheat, option B, transport, option C, storage, option D, police station. And the correct answer is option D, police station. Next question. Greater the development of the primary and secondary sectors dash would be the demand for such services. Option A, equal, option B, more, option C, less, option D, uneven. And the correct answer is more. Next question. When income levels rise, certain sections of people start demanding many more services like option A, more food, option B, hospitals, option C, defense, option D, tourism. And the correct answer is option D, tourism. Next question. Over the past decade or so, certain new services such as dash have become important and essential. Option A, private hospitals, option B, professional training, option C, information and communication technology, option D, insurance. Correct answer is option C, insurance and communication technology. Next question. Underemployment is hidden in contrast to someone who does not have a job and is clearly visible as unemployed. It is also called option A, hidden employment, option B, disguised unemployment, option C, unstable employment, option D, less employment. And the correct answer is option B, disguised unemployment.